Hey there, my name is David Goggins, and I'm going to share my thoughts on consistency discipline, the key to lasting success. Chapter 1. Introduction to Consistency Discipline.
Let me tell you something. Success isn't about luck. It's about consistency and discipline. It's the ability to show up every single day, no matter the challenge, and get the work done, no matter how tough it gets. Talking about discipline isn't enough. You need consistency. But it's not just about doing the same thing every day. It's about doing the right thing over and over, no matter how hard it is. That's where the magic happens. Growth, progress, success. It's the small actions, done consistently, that lead to huge changes. But you have to stick with it. That's how real results happen.
Chapter 2. Understanding the Power of Habits.
Here's the truth about habits. They shape your life. The habits you build will either make or break you. Want to know the secret to success? It's the habit loop. You form habits based on cues, actions, and rewards. If you can control that loop, you can turn anything into a habit, whether it's waking up early or finishing a workout. But not all habits are good. You have to get rid of the bad ones. Those are the ones holding you back. The key to progress is building good, productive habits and replacing the bad ones with things that move you forward. Here's an exercise. Think of a habit you have that's holding you back. Now, plan a new habit that will push you forward. Commit to it for 30 days. Make it your mission to replace the old habit with something better.
Chapter 3. The Role of Routine in Consistency. I don't care how disciplined you are. You need a routine. Routine is what turns those small, consistent actions into real results. If you want to get better at something, you need a framework that sets you up for success. Your morning routine? That's what sets the tone for the rest of your day. If you start strong, you're more likely to keep going strong. Same goes for your evening routine. You wind down, reset, and get ready to crush the next day. But don't fall into the trap of being too rigid. Life throws curveballs. Be flexible. But don't lose your consistency just because things change. Take action. Design your day. Break it into blocks. Work. Personal time. Commit to it. Do it for a week. You'll be amazed at what happens. Chapter 4. Developing a growth mindset. A lot of people have a fixed mindset. They think they're stuck where they are. They think their abilities are set. Let me tell you something. That's a lie. If you think like that, you'll never grow. A growth mindset is what allows you to push through tough times, learn from mistakes, and keep going no matter how many times you fall. If you can embrace challenges, you can do anything. And failures? They're just stepping stones. You don't learn from success. You learn from the struggle. Think about a recent setback you had. How did you grow from it? Reframe it. Turn that failure into fuel for your fire. Chapter 5. Managing distractions and staying focused. Distractions are everywhere. They'll pull you in every direction, especially when you're trying to stay consistent. But if you want to stay focused, you need to recognize those distractions and get rid of them. It's about being laser focused. You have to identify your priorities and keep them front and center. Distractions will keep popping up, but that's when discipline and consistency kick in. Create a plan. Block out your time. Dedicate certain hours to focused work. Minimize distractions. Control your environment. Take control. Do it. Chapter 6. Building resilience to maintain consistency. Listen closely. Things won't always go your way. You're going to face setbacks, failures, and moments of doubt. But resilience is what will keep you moving forward. When life knocks you down, don't stay down. You get up, dust yourself off, and keep fighting. That's the key to consistency and discipline. It's not about avoiding the struggle. It's about embracing it, learning from it, and using it to fuel your journey. So, prepare for setbacks. Know they're coming, then create a strategy to overcome them. When things get tough, that's when you need to show up the most. Chapter 7. Accountability and support systems. Nobody does this alone. Accountability is a game changer. When you share your goals with someone, you're much more likely to stay on track. You can't succeed by yourself. Find someone who will push you, hold you accountable, and call you out when you're slacking. A good accountability partner isn't going to let you off the hook. Your support system? Build it. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and push you forward. Now find someone, share your goals, and stay the course. Chapter 8. Celebrating small victories and long-term goals. Don't wait until you reach the finish line to celebrate. Celebrate those small wins along the way. Every step forward is progress. If you don't acknowledge that, you'll lose motivation. You're building something big, and that takes time. So, set long-term goals and break them down into smaller milestones. When you hit those milestones, take a moment to celebrate. But keep pushing. Keep a success journal. Write down your victories, big and small. Use it as a reminder of how far you've come and keep that fire burning. Chapter 9. Cultivating a positive mindset for lasting success. Your mindset is everything. If you want to be consistent, you have to control your thoughts. You have to maintain a positive attitude no matter how tough things get. Gratitude, positivity, and visualization. Those are tools that will keep you going. Use them daily. When you feel defeated, take a moment to reflect on what you're grateful for. Visualize your success. You can't be negative and expect to maintain consistency. Positivity is the fuel that keeps your engine running. Make it a practice, every single day. Chapter 10. Maintaining consistency. Discipline for lifelong success. Consistency and discipline aren't a phase. It's a lifestyle. If you want long-term success, you have to commit to it every single day. This isn't about achieving something once and being done. It's about staying in the game for the long haul. You're going to face new challenges, you're going to have to adapt, but your consistency has to stay strong. Commit to this for life. No shortcuts, no giving up. Conclusion. Let me tell you something. Anyone can do this. If you stay disciplined, consistent, and keep pushing forward, success is inevitable. It's not about what you do once, it's about what you do every day. So make your commitment, write it down, then make it happen. Because success is earned one small, consistent action at a time.